Hi, I'm Amrita Vashni from the Department of Business Administration, Madras Christian College. So, as part of a curriculum, we had been given an opportunity to do a 1-month internship.
Hi, this is Srinath.
Hello, I am Sisira and I hail from Chennai.
Hi, I am Jemima Takilambam from Manipur.
So, I did my internship in BMW Group, India Private Limited. So, BMW is a German multinational corporation known for luxury manufacturing cars.
I completed an internship in Ashok Leyland.
So I had a wonderful opportunity of working in Godrej Private Limited.
I have done my internship in JMR Apparels.
I had the opportunity to work at ASME, which is American Society of Mechanical Engineers.
So I did my project work on the topic of financial impact of ESG ratings of Ashok Leyland. ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance Ratings, where Ashok Leyland invests in the social and environmental and sustainable practices.
So I have done my internship in HR. So my topic is basically about employee satisfaction on the compensation on the salary benefits offered by them. So this company has many benefits offered to their employees. So according to my research on the employee satisfaction, the employees were highly satisfied, as employee satisfaction plays a major role.
The best part of my internship was the friendly and welcoming work environment. From day one, I was surrounded by professionals who were eager to guide and mentor me. I not only gained hands-on experience in human resource and supply chain operation, but I also had an incredible opportunity to work on corporate events like hosting Fun Friday and Women's Day celebration. This actually helped me to improve my organizational skills.
I got an hands-on experience of using social media to create awareness of stress management or key strategies.
My project title is on customer preferences and perceptions on BBA Annex movie theatre promotions.
ASME creates rules and guidelines for the manufacturing and energy industry. Chennai being the Detroit of manufacturing sector, the experience was completely dynamic and agile.
And I thank my college and BBA department to give me such a wonderful opportunity.